Bud Light presents Real Men of Genius.
Real men of genius.
Today we salute you, Mr. Pimped Out Ghetto Car Driver.
Mr. Pimped Out Ghetto Car Driver.
Who needs a horn when you have a sound system that announces your arrival 12 blocks before you get there?
Here I come now.
Nothing says success like a $400 car sitting on $8,000 worth of tires and rims.
I hope you got insurance.
Who needs libido enhancers when you have hydraulic lifts and enough bass to keep the backseat bumping and grinding all night long?
He's got motion in the ocean.
So crack open an ice cold Bud Light, oh guardian of the ghetto, because you put the junk in our trunk.
Mr. Pimped Out Ghetto Car Driver.
Bud Light Beer, Anheuser-Busch, St. Louis, Missouri.